Hey you all, welcome to this video where I will help you out how to integrate Notion in ClickUp. So if you want to do this, the first thing that we're going to do is we connect right here to our Notion. And then when we are here in Notion, we go right here to our own account where we select right here settings. Then from here we go to connections. And now we search for ClickUp that is standing right here on the most right line. Then we click right here on ClickUp. And then it says bring ClickUp's task into Notion, and then we do install. And then if you can see right here, he pop-ups right here the ClickUp workspace. So now make sure that you select right here or Tommy Flex workspace, and then we can do connect workspace. Then right now he's connecting, and if you can see the ClickUp is linked now to Notion. And with that, I mean that we integrate right now Notion in ClickUp. So if I go right here to my ClickUp, you can see right here that we linked Notion in our ClickUp right here in Tommy Flex workspace. So now it's also standing right here. If you click on the cross and we click right here on it, you see right here that Notion is linked. And this is exactly a sign that we have Notion now in my ClickUp. So this is how you can integrate Notion in ClickUp. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.